See that. Let us see. The point is, it should have been done in 2021. First of all, you have delayed the census purposefully, and now without a census, you want to do delimitation. How accurate will be your data of 2011 for a 2028 or a 29 election? So these are all things that the Prime Minister should answer. He just can't sit in his ivory tower and issue directions like this. It's a democracy. Let this be discussed in Parliament.
Sir, do you think that after delimitation there will be injustice to the southern part of...
Going by what is floating around in the media and in the social media, and going by the sayings, going by listening to what the BJP leaders have to say, it will be a gross injustice for South India, for South Indian states. We'll be punished for being good citizens. So what is the bill? Has anybody seen the bill? What is the bill about? So while we are for women's reservation, the cabinet has passed the bill. Where is the draft bill? Aren't they going to consult with stakeholder? Aren't they going to consult with women at least? They just want to pass the bill.